Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete apps on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want to delete or remove some unwanted application on your iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete apps on iPhone, all you need to do is you can either delete the application from the home screen or go through the phone settings to remove the application. So to start with, let's say you have any application you want to delete on the home screen. All you need to do to delete the application is press and hold the application. Then you should see this menu comes up. On the menu, locate and click on remove app. Then go ahead and click on delete app. So once you click on delete app, this is going to remove the application completely on your iPhone and also remove it from the help library. Deleting this app will also delete its data. Click on delete and then hang on. Then you should see the application removed or deleted. Alternatively, go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down to general. Locate and click on iPhone storage. Now, once you selected iPhone storage, scroll down the iPhone storage page. Locate the application you want to delete on your iPhone. Click on it. Then go ahead and click on delete app. Once you selected delete app, tap delete from the pop. And then hang on a couple of seconds, then you should see the application removed or uninstalled completely on your iPhone, and then you're good. So that is exactly how to delete apps on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.